automotive program in Dekaney High School is a new pathway.
We were basically disassembling the block and putting the pistons in the right sequence.
They're learning all the components that pertain to the engine, how the engine operates, and also how to go by assembling the engine.
I feel like I've always liked puzzles. I like putting things back together, and I really love cars, so it's a really good mix.
We don't have a facility at our location. Universal Technical Institute provided this facility that we're in right now.
We are the leading provider of post-secondary education for automotive, diesel, collision repair, motorcycle and marine mechanics to the transportation industry in the U.S.
Before this class, I didn't know how to take the engine apart. Like, they taught me about putting stuff in the right order, having a table clean, putting each part in like a grid, making sure you know where each part goes back.
I like my team I got now. We learn from each other as we're working on it. Once you know what you're doing, everything will just go easy.
We're getting a little too ahead.
The students can get all their knowledge and their skills that they need so they can continue on in their future. Most of them want to work on vehicles, and some of them want to work in the oil industry. But they're still going to need these type of skills so that they can go on in the workforce and work on those type of industries. Some of them want to be electricians, so we're teaching them about electronics, so it's helping them out as well. So they're not going to be a stranger to wherever they want to pursue in their future.
It's a great opportunity for us to work directly with Spring ISD. We're happy to do so. Spring ISD is in our backyard. The schools and the automotive programs and the instructors in Spring ISD have always been very supportive of us. We try to be supportive of them, so it's a partnership.
They really break it down to you. You really get to put your hands on it and actually see if you really like doing it or not. So I feel like UTI is a real good program.
I think this one's okay.
Yeah, this one is. I give thanks to Mr. Trevino for bringing us here. He shows us, he has a lot of knowledge, and I'm really sad because this year is almost ending. I don't want it to end.